Dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to show you how to operate university's email system. First of all, we are going to access university website. By choosing the Facilities and Initiative option, we look for IT Services tab. On this page, you can find all IT support services for students and staff. Make sure you choose a link for students, whether your faculty is from Campus Kleve or Camp Limford. Your username is your matriculation number at students.hsrw. Your temporary password is included in your student ticket letter. Once you sign in, you have to change that password to a new one, a personalized one. Here you can see your inbox, drafts, sent items, deleted items, junk email, and notes. You can also flag or pin the important emails. I would like to introduce you some functions of our university email. In order to keep track of university events, important assignments, or labs, you can always use your calendar. In case you want to email your colleague, you can always find the list of your contacts. Moreover, you can also add your tasks. Going back to IT Services page on our university website, on the right-hand side you can find the option Overview for Students. Here you can find how to access our services than email, like HIS, Moodle, or online library service. The last but not the least, your username is not your email address. Your email address is firstname.surname@hsrw.org. Thank you for watching. We wish you a great start at Rhein-Waal University of Applied Sciences.